What's going on, YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. This knife was sent to me by somebody I met on Instagram, and I had mentioned in a previous video really wanting to take a look at this because of the direction that ZT's going and my fear that we'll see less and less and less models like this from ZT. Anyways, really excited to take a look at this knife. If you would like your own Rainbow Lady of the Sea for your own unboxing adventures or adventures of any type, of course, there are links down in the description, as well as links to my Patreon where you can pick up some cool stickers like this. And for all tiers, even the $1 tier, you'll have access to my once-a-week Patreon exclusive content. So if you like the sound of that and you'd like to support me, please take a look at that link. Your support would absolutely mean the world to me. Let's go ahead and just sort of peel this open here. Of course, what we have is a zero tolerance box, and I'm going to try to open this without revealing the model on it so that we can make this as dramatic as possible. Okay, so it's in a little case here. Just want to say real quick, this is from my buddy Juan. Thanks so much, Juan. I appreciate it. Let's get into this right here real quick. And this is actually a sprint run version of this knife. Awesome. Let me get the model name. This is the 0055 BLK, and I'm not sure, is it Chechny? SLT flipper and 20 CV. So anyways, here we go. This is a GTC Airborne collaboration with GTC. Oh, that's cool. So right off the bat, I mean, this is super polarizing. This is going to be very, preferable for some people, and for other people, they're going to go, nope, hate it. This is so far beyond anything that I have ever had in my pocket. I'm drawn to it just for the weirdness, right? This interesting sort of laser pattern that we've got going on here, and then these lines, these milling lines down here. This is just crazy. The GTC Airborne, the true custom, is like this. Now, the interesting thing about this knife, ooh, it's quite smooth. Very powerful action. This has this sort of springy flipper tab thing here, right? So it moves out of the way when it's not in use. This is it. You can see that's a GTC thing. So you pull it down, and then right here, this is where you start putting you building up kinetic energy to break the detent. And when you finally do, it has a lot of power. I mean, it's a thick blade, it's a heavy blade. There's a lot of detent strength, but man, it fires. And I'll tell you what. Here's what I love about this right off the bat. I'd forgotten about this. I've only handled this one other time, and it was at a Cabela's. The sound that it makes, because after you flip it, you have this extra click of that going back into place. So there's a lot of mechanical sound. Here, listen. Oh, that's crispy. I like that. Of course, it's a Wharncliffe, very futuristic Wharncliffe with a compound grind, and also a change in the angle on the blade. I'm not sure exactly how useful that is, but this is a very interesting knife, and it still holds on to the kind of traditional old school overbuilt ZT look, which is why I like it, but it kind of has this futuristic look as well. Very, very cool. Interested to play around this with this for a little bit and kind of get my thoughts on it. But thanks so much, Juan. I really appreciate you allowing me to take a look at this. Anyways, guys, that's going to be pretty much it for today's short little unboxing. If you enjoyed this video or found it entertaining in any way, shape, or form, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on this Metal Complex logo right here and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.